put on my nightstand because it has the light. It can turn on with different colors. You can turn off. Also, it has different mode. You can see the time, the date, and you can set up your morning alarm clock, and you can connect to Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
Then you can start playing music. Yeah, it's a pretty solid speaker for like your bedroom or your home office. And also on the back, you can see you can connect to USB. You can insert a micro SD card, or you can link to your phone by using the aux. And it's charged by the mini USB cable. So I think the battery life is pretty good because I got it for like 2 days. I've been using it every day and I haven't charged it yet. So the battery life is pretty solid. The color is really cute. I really like my purchase. This is my first speaker. And there we go. And my net light.
Change the light. This is the Bluetooth. It's really loud. It has like a